now, will Rich Guerin please come forward with his wolf den? Den number 7.
Ethan's first.
I just want to say I'm really proud of these guys. We have 2 missing tonight, but they've worked really hard to earn their wolf badges, and also moms and dads have helped out a lot too, so I want to thank them. But our den was hit pretty hard this winter by the flu virus, so we had a lot of absentees, but these guys pulled together and did all their achievements to earn their wolf badge. So up first is Ethan Lawler.
Yay!
Woo!
Mason Robbins. Xander Guerin. Phoenix Nine. And Lorenzo Hall.
Rich, before you step down, I have to give you something too. It's the Centennial Quality Unit Award for 2009, and this is for you. Guys, want a picture real quick? Look that way too. 3, 2, 1. Good job.
I just found out I could have zoomed this whole time. I was out like that.
Are you still filming?